Assalam dear viewers, we are launching a new channel called Islami-Tehzeeb to spread the messages of Allah and His beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Islami-Tehzeeb is a platform created with the goal of promoting Islamic teachings and knowledge among our Muslim youth in both English and some content in Hindi. Our aim is to spread the teachings of Allah and our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam so that we can achieve success both in this world and in the hereafter. Our weekly Islamic news will keep you updated with all the important developments related to Islam. Our morning live Quran recitations will refresh your soul and provide a spiritual start to your day. Our Islamic videos will guide you on how to live a successful life and career while following the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Through our Durood and Dua series, we will collectively beseech Allah for the betterment of ourselves and all of humanity. We also have a dedicated series for the youth where we will provide insights on Islam, science and technology, and how we can keep pace with the changing times while staying within the boundaries of Islam. Our Earn section is dedicated to empowering members of our community, particularly educated yet unemployed or low-income individuals, with a special focus on our respected Khatuns. Our goal is to help you achieve financial stability and independence in a halal and Islamic way. We will share valuable resources, tips, and platforms that will enable you to use your skills and talents to build a better future for yourselves and your families without the need for large investments or complex procedures. Through this initiative, we aim to uplift individual households while strengthening our Muslim community by promoting self-reliance and economic empowerment. We request you all to join us on this journey of knowledge and faith. Please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends, relatives, and all Islamic group. Let us come together to strengthen our faith and build a better life through the teachings of Islam. Stay tuned as we continue to bring valuable knowledge your way, guiding you towards a deeper understanding of Islam. Keep learning, stay connected, and let the light of wisdom brighten your path. Allah Hafiz.